The bull stands as one of the strongest animals in history. For centuries, bulls have symbolized power, endurance, and survival across farms and industries around the world. Deep inside a modern bullhorn leather factory, raw materials begin a long transformation into luxury leather products. Today, we step inside this advanced facility to witness every stage of production. From raw material inspection to the final polishing and packaging process. Before sunrise, trucks loaded with raw bullhorn leather materials arrive at the factory gates. Workers carefully unload heavy bundles onto conveyor platforms, while inspectors check every piece for cracks, moisture, and damage. High-quality raw material is essential because even small defects can affect the final product. Digital scanners and experienced workers separate premium-grade materials from lower-quality stock before production begins. After inspection, the raw materials move into the cleaning department. Giant stainless steel drums rotate slowly, while powerful water jets remove dirt, oils, and natural residue. Industrial cleaning agents help prepare the leather for chemical treatment. Workers constantly monitor water temperature and washing time because improper cleaning can weaken the natural fibers and reduce the quality of the finished leather products. The cleaned materials are transferred into soaking tanks filled with special treatment liquids. Here, the leather absorbs moisture to restore flexibility after transportation. Computer systems carefully control temperature, pH levels, and soaking duration to ensure perfect absorption. This process softens the fibers and prepares the material for the next stage of production inside the modern leather factory. Next comes the liming process, one of the most important stages in leather manufacturing. Massive industrial drums slowly rotate, while chemicals loosen proteins, fats, and remaining tissue from the leather surface. The rough material gradually becomes softer and easier to shape. Skilled technicians inspect samples regularly because even small mistakes during this stage can damage the leather fibers permanently. After liming, the materials pass through giant rinsing tunnels where clean water removes excess chemicals. Conveyor rollers squeeze out moisture while maintaining flexibility. Modern factories recycle thousands of liters of water every day using advanced filtration systems. These systems help reduce industrial waste and improve environmental efficiency while maintaining strict production standards. Now, the leather enters the tanning department, where raw material transforms into durable leather. Giant rotating drums are filled with tanning agents, oils, and stabilizers. Some factories use vegetable tanning, while others use mineral-based methods, depending on the desired finish. This process strengthens the leather fibers and protects the material from decay and long-term damage. Inside the rotating tanning drums, chemicals slowly penetrate deep into every fiber. The process can take many hours or even days, depending on the thickness of the leather. Digital monitoring systems carefully track drum speed, temperature, and chemical concentration. At this stage, the material finally begins to look and feel like real leather, used in luxury products. Once tanning is complete, workers transfer the leather onto large inspection tables. Specialists search for scratches, weak areas, and surface imperfections under bright lights. Premium sections are marked for luxury goods, while lower-grade pieces are separated for industrial use. Every part of the material is carefully evaluated to maintain the factory's high-quality standards. The leather now moves into the moisture removal stage. Giant hydraulic rollers compress the material while preserving softness and texture. Afterward, the leather enters climate-controlled drying chambers, where humidity and airflow are carefully balanced. Drying too quickly can create cracks, so advanced systems slowly remove moisture while protecting the natural structure of the fibers. During drying, experienced workers inspect every sheet by hand. They stretch and bend the leather under powerful inspection lamps to detect hidden flaws. Even inside highly automated factories, human craftsmanship remains extremely important. Skilled workers understand natural grain patterns and flexibility better than machines, helping maintain luxury-grade production quality. Next, the leather enters the softening department. Large mechanical machines repeatedly flex and massage the material to improve smoothness and flexibility. Loud vibrating rollers loosen the fibers and create the soft texture customers expect from premium leather products. Without this process, the finished leather would feel stiff and uncomfortable during use. The softened leather now reaches the precision cutting section. Computer-guided cutting machines scan each sheet using digital mapping technology. Artificial intelligence software identifies imperfections and calculates the best cutting patterns to reduce waste. Sharp industrial blades then slice through thick leather with incredible precision for jackets, belts, bags, and other luxury products. Alongside automated machines, skilled craftsmen manually cut special sections, requiring artistic precision. Natural leather patterns vary from piece to piece, so experienced workers carefully align grain textures for visual consistency. Inside modern luxury factories, advanced technology and traditional craftsmanship work together to create high-quality leather products admired worldwide. The leather pieces now move into shaping and forming stations. Heated molds and hydraulic presses help create curved sections and reinforced structures. Some products require soft, flexible construction, while others need extra durability. Workers carefully inspect every detail because luxury customers expect both comfort and long-lasting performance from premium leather goods. Inside the finishing department, automated spray systems apply protective coatings to improve durability and appearance. Giant polishing rollers smooth the leather surface while enhancing texture and shine. Some products receive glossy finishes, while others keep a natural matte look. Skilled technicians constantly compare colors and textures under professional lighting systems. The color treatment process begins inside specialized mixing laboratories. Technicians develop custom shades using industrial dyes and pigments before spray booths evenly coat the leather surface. Multiple layers improve color depth and durability while preserving the natural grain pattern. Rich brown and black tones are especially popular in luxury leather manufacturing. Embossing machines now add decorative patterns and textures onto selected leather products. Heated steel rollers press detailed designs into the surface using pressure and temperature control. Some patterns imitate exotic textures, while others create elegant modern finishes. This process enhances the visual appeal of luxury bullhorn leather goods. After finishing treatments, every product enters another strict quality inspection stage. Workers examine thickness, flexibility, stitching zones, and color consistency. Stress testing machines repeatedly bend and stretch sample materials to simulate years of use. Products that fail inspection are recycled or downgraded before reaching the final packaging department. Finally, the completed leather goods are polished, cleaned, and carefully packaged for shipment worldwide. Protective wrapping prevents scratches during transportation, while authenticity labels and quality certificates are attached. Inside the modern bullhorn leather factory, advanced machinery and skilled craftsmanship work together every day to create durable, luxury leather products admired around the world.